Having a data science curriculum integrated in my program was very beneficial.
They do a really good job of trying to get you prepared with working with Bloomberg and FactSet and Capital IQ.
The class is also very diversified, not only the technical curriculum, but also there are a lot of networking sections that teach you something that you cannot learn from books.
I think it will give me a head start in my career because it's helped to prepare me for professional exams like the CFA and the FRM, but also some really important soft skills like how to communicate effectively in a business setting and how to work with teams on projects.
Definitely a lot of companies appreciate CFA title or FRM title holders. It proves that you are very dedicated in the financial field and also proves that you are good at learning, good at applying, and you can win that position.
It also gave me the background and necessary tools to be outstanding, to establish conversations. And I would say that it gives you confidence. It opens your limits. It challenges yourself. And the program itself is very complete. It also depends on you and the powerful network that you are building while you are studying at Temple.
I think Fox did a great job of bringing in people from all different cultural backgrounds, and it really brings another element to the classroom that is hugely beneficial.
For me, the most important thing when I was coming, I looked at the diversity in the city. I wanted a place that mix of activity and calmness, and I got that feeling.
I've made friends from China, Germany, India, and I really feel like I've made some friends for life through the program.